Hello everyone. So this is my first strategy video. Actually, it's not a strategy video. It's just another observation in markets that how Bank Nifty reverses its trend. So this will be a mean reversion discussion. So let's start with it. This is Bank Nifty 1 hour time frame chart. Okay, and I'll just show you. This is RSI standard settings 70-30 band, and input is 14 period. So I'll just remove these backgrounds and change these lines to be more visible. Firstly, what we have to see, so this is basically a long only strategy. We will buy Bank Nifty. So there are many ways to buy Bank Nifty. We can short put option, we can buy ETFs, we can buy call option, we can buy futures, or we can create call or put spreads. So this particular strategy is just for long entries, not for short entries. So firstly, what we'll look is RSI if it is going below 30 level. So this horizontal line is of 30. We will wait for candle to close, first candle to close and close below the 30 level. And just before buying, we have to wait for a bullish candle to show. After that, we can initiate our long position. How to take entry exits that I'll cover towards the end. So firstly, this is just for analysis. We'll just see a few examples. So here, after getting oversold, it went a little sideways, and then a good pullback came towards this 50 EMA. So this is a 50 EMA on a 1 hourly time frame, and we got roughly around 900 points, 950 points till 50 EMA. But next day was a gap up, so luckily we got around 1500 points. So our target would be till 50 EMA or 500 points to be on a very safe side. So next time when it came here back to this level, we'll wait for a halt candle or a bullish candle, and after that it is formed. So again we'll initiate a long trade over here, and our target again will be around 400 to 500 points please. So next time when it came at this point, so those who trade RSI will know about RSI divergences. So here RSI went above, but the price was at the same level, or rather it broke the low. That means this is bullish divergence. So RSI went up in value, but the price did not. So as soon as there is a divergence created between the price and indicator, there is a sharp move. So this sharp move we could have got easily. So this is as per RSI divergence, but we'll just focus on the below 30 level trades for RSI. Again here it just came and touched the 30 level. After this bullish candle we can go long, and this was a May expiry. It gave a very wild move. So that's the concept. Basically you can just try this particular strategy, just back test it, and do let me know on Instagram if this is working for you, because I've been trading this for a long time now, and what I trade is short term reversals. So this is my always I focus on a low risk entry. So this particular strategy gives me a low risk entry. I'm not bothered about a 5,000 pointer move in markets. I'm just bothered about today's if I'm getting a 1% or my weekly target if I'm achieving or not. So I don't care about market movements. So that's what trading is to me, identifying low risk opportunities and just consistently keep on taking lower risk opportunities. So this is a particular strategy for mean reversion, and a little bit homework for everyone just to go and backtest this particular strategy and just see, because entry and exit it will differ from person to person, and it will also differ from risk appetite to risk appetite. So if I'm a high risky trader, I'll just go long after this bearish candle also, and I'll not be bothered about how like if there is a fall or not. I'll just square off if there is a fall after this as well. But if there is not a fall and the strategy works immediately from next candle, my returns will be very high. For those who are looking out for very safe entries, can wait for a bullish candle and then go for the long trade. So that will differ, and that will only come through observations. The conviction over the strategy will only come from observations and the number of hours you spent with the chart, this with this particular strategy. So for this weekend, you can just try it out and just see. For there are if there is a trend market like this, so the chances of failure are higher in the trend market. But when the trend reversal happen, the risk reward also will go up. it will not just, if say for in this case, uh, RSI went below this is a bullish candle. So here the high was not taken, so we'll not consider this trade. Again, this is bullish candle. So this high was taken, but again the SL was hit over here. If continuously 2 3 SL is hitting, that means we are in a strong downtrend. But we'll just keep taking the low risk entries over here, keeping our losses to minimal. But when a particular trade works out in our favor, this is a first identification that the trend has changed now, because after 2 3 losses now the trade has worked, and we'll get a very big move on the upside post that. So all these observations you'll get to know once you start backtesting it over historical data. I've just given you a key idea, and this is a long only strategy because we are trading into index, and index has a by nature it's bullish, be it Nifty, be it Bank Nifty. So it has always been in an uptrend. So odds of this strategy working in a bullish scenario are higher than for short scenarios, because if we keep on shorting on near the highs, and if market is in an uptrend like it has been since past 1 year, then it is very difficult to sustain by shorting a rising market. So we'll always focus on bullish entries and we'll wait. Sometimes we'll not get a particular trade like this trade by this strategy for a month also, like a month of November. It was a completely bullish month. But whenever we get, the odds of working it out are very high. So here you can see market is corrected roughly around 6%. But as soon as the RSI went below 30 after one bullish candle, see how much of return we could have made. It is not possible to capture the entire move, but again, what we are focusing on low risk entries. So we'll just focus on low risk entries over here and try to maximize our quarterly or yearly return. So this can be another strategy for positional if you like, and just try it out first before directly applying it. And yes, that's it for the video.